Hi, I'm Jay from SEK SureBond, and today we're going to talk about EdgeCrete, paver restraint in a bag. We have a hardscape project that's well underway, and now that the pavers are installed, we're ready to lock it in with EdgeCrete. Let's talk about what makes EdgeCrete the best concrete edge restraint in the industry. It all starts with the unique way EdgeCrete is engineered and manufactured in our state-of-the-art facility right here in the USA. EdgeCrete is a special blend of Portland cement with two types of fibers and added polymers. The large and small fibers help reinforce the concrete mix to hold it all together and resist cracking. The added polymer gives EdgeCrete flexibility and superior strength for extended life and performance. EdgeCrete produces consistent results every time when properly mixed. We make it easy with our water management chemistry. Just use a half gallon of water per bag. EdgeCrete is simple to install and can even be installed in light to moderate rain. EdgeCrete's packaging creates very little job site waste, and the bags can be recycled in most areas. Before installing EdgeCrete, let's review the ICPI best practices for hardscape installation. EdgeCrete is ideal for both open graded and standard base installations. Be sure to extend the aggregate 6 inches past the perimeter of the paving area, or the measurement of the base depth, whichever is greater. You will need a wheelbarrow or rotary mixer, square shovel, trowel, a water source, and a gallon-sized water container. For efficient mixing, pour 2 bags of EdgeCrete into the wheelbarrow or mixer. Because we are mixing 2 bags of EdgeCrete, we will need 1 gallon of water, which is a half a gallon of water per bag. Pour the water, dispersing it over the top of EdgeCrete in the wheelbarrow. Use a square shovel to fold and mix EdgeCrete and the water together until all dry contents are consistently blended with the water. The mix will appear dry and produces a low slump when properly mixed. Before you install EdgeCrete, use a trowel or square shovel to remove the bedding material to expose the base material. Now, take the square shovel and distribute the mixed EdgeCrete alongside the edge of the surface. Using a steel trowel, smooth out EdgeCrete, forming a triangular-shaped profile that extends about halfway up the paver. To complete the project, continue mixing additional EdgeCrete as needed. Then, distribute and trowel it into place. If EdgeCrete comes in contact with the surface, clean it off immediately with a wet rag or brush in water to avoid staining. Before EdgeCrete dries on tools, clean immediately after use with water and a brush. Now, it's time to finish the project by compacting the surface and installing joint material. The final step is to backfill with topsoil, mulch, or decorative stone. EdgeCrete is rain-safe in 5 hours and fully cures after 28 days. Walkways can be used after backfilling. Driveways can be used after 48 hours. Avoid walking or driving near the edge until EdgeCrete has fully cured. For more information about EdgeCrete and all our professional hardscaping products, visit us online at sek.us.com.